In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite people to Slack. By the end, you'll be confident adding teammates to your workspace using the method that fits best for you, whether that's a quick email, your company directory, or a shareable link. First, from the Home tab in Slack, click your workspace name at the top left. This is the small menu that also lets you see workspace settings and preferences. On desktop and in the browser, it's right in the upper left corner of the app window. If you're on mobile, the option is still associated with your workspace name, though the layout may look a little different. Opening that menu is your gateway to all the tools you need to bring people in. Next, choose Invite People. You'll see a few options, and the simplest one is to enter their email addresses. Type one or several addresses, separating them with commas if needed. This sends a standard Slack invite straight to their inbox. Take a moment to double-check spelling so nothing bounces, and consider adding a short note if your plan allows it, so they know why they're being invited. This option is great when you know exactly who should join and want tight control over access. If your organization uses Google Workspace, you can connect to it here and select people directly from your company directory. This keeps things consistent with your existing contacts and can speed up inviting multiple teammates at once. Depending on your workspace settings, you might be prompted to authorize the connection, or you may need an admin to enable it. It's a convenient way to avoid manual typing and reduces the chance of email typos. There's also the option to copy an invite link and share it with the people you want to join. This is handy for larger groups, short-term projects, or when you don't have everyone's email on hand. Keep in mind that invite links may have expiration settings or usage limits defined by your workspace admins. Share the link only with trusted recipients, and consider sending it through a secure channel. And there you go. Once you've invited people, they'll receive an email or use the link to join. After they accept, they'll appear in your workspace and can start collaborating right away. If someone doesn't see the email, suggest they check spam or promotions folders. And if you don't see the invite people option, your workspace may restrict invitations to certain roles. An admin can help. That's all. You've learned how to open the workspace menu, choose invite people, and bring teammates in by email, through Google Workspace, or with a shared link. Happy collaborating in Slack.